Hey everyone! In today's video, you're going to learn how to add a gift card to a Shopify store. Do you know what's the use of a gift card in a Shopify store? Well, a gift card is a special type of product. Customers can redeem its value as a payment on their future purchases from your online store. The gift card feature is currently available on all Shopify subscription plans. You can sell a gift card like a product. Apart from that, you can also issue a free gift card to one of your customers as a reward or incentive. If you are curious about what a gift card looks like, it's basically a code that can be used at checkout to redeem its value. Now, let me show you how to add a gift card to a Shopify store. First, go to the Products menu and click on Gift Cards. To add a new gift card, click on Manage Gift Card Products. Now, click on Add Gift Card Product. Here, you can add a title, description, and availability for the gift card. All these options are the same as the options we get while adding a regular product in a Shopify store. The only difference is denominations, which means the face value of this card. Here, you can edit or delete a denomination from the existing ones. To add a denomination, click here. Now add a value as you prefer. If you want to add an image for the gift card, you can do that from here. You can also add this gift card product to a specific collection. Here, you can choose the vendor. If you don't need to add any vendors, simply leave this field blank. After adding all the necessary information, press Save. Here you'll get an option to duplicate a card, using which you can add more cards like this. If you want to check how the gift card looks, you can view that from here. As you can see, it looks almost the same as the other products. If any of your customers want to purchase a gift card, all they need to do is select their preferred amount and click on Add to Cart or Buy It Now. Once a customer purchases a gift card, he or she can use it to purchase another product from your store. Besides, the customer can send this card to a friend as a gift. The person who has the gift card can use it as a discount code while purchasing a regular product. Let me give you an example. Suppose one of your customers intends to buy this product with a gift card or a discount code. Firstly, the customer needs to select the product variants and click on the Buy It Now button. Here, the customer will find this field to insert a gift card so that he or she can avail of the discount based on the value of that gift card. Now, let's go back to the Shopify admin again and click on Gift Cards. As you can see, all of the gift cards that you have created previously are listed over here. Now, if you want to issue a gift card, then click on Issue Gift Card. Afterward, a dialog box will appear where you can select the initial value for the gift card. If you want to send this code to a customer, then you can select the customer from here by searching his name. You can also set a date of expiration. If you don't want to set an expiration date, then simply enable this option. In case you need to edit this code, click here and customize the code the way you want. After that, press Issue Gift Card. You'll get to see another dialog box as a confirmation that the gift card has been successfully issued. Now press Done. If you want to remove or disable any gift cards from here, then first select the cards. Now click on the Actions drop-down button and select Disable the selected gift cards. So, this is how you can create and manage the gift card products in your Shopify store easily. If you have any queries or suggestions about this video, please let us know in the comments below. That's it for this video. Thank you.